you want to go out and actually sit on your porch, have a barbecue?
Well, unfortunately, I don't have a yard or porch. But thanks to the Ninja Foodi 5-in-1, you can have swaggy barbecues all year round. But before we begin, this is not a pre-recorded barbecue, okay?
You have a timestamp, you can actually see it up there. Anyway,
it's time to get the grill fired up. We begin by putting the grill grate in the removable cooking pot. That's thing one. Thing two, it's time to preheat the grill.
You want a barbecue from the beast? You're going to get barbecue from the beast.
I love your enthusiasm, Joseph. And now that the grill is ready, we're gonna grill up a few hot dogs. Ninja recommends 3 to 5 minutes for hot dogs. And that's exactly what we're going to do. While we're waiting, could you tell the people in my audience who you are, please?
This is the Beast, Joseph 8276.
Anywho, these are the hot dogs after 2 minutes of grilling. We're going to give them a flip and grill them for about 2 or 3 more minutes.
Yeah, damn right, boys. I'm back. The Beast is back.
And now that the hot dogs are done, all we need to do now is toast up some buns. Here's a close-up so you can get a better look at it.
Okay.
Don't worry, Joseph, this step won't take long at all. We throw the buns in the grill for 1 minute total. What we'll do is we'll flip the buns at 30 seconds. And what you'll have here is the end result.
Difficulty isn't a good thing, I'll tell you that much.
Actually, Joseph, that's one of my favorite things about this grill. It's so simple to use. But anyway, now that the hot dogs are done, I'm going to put ketchup and Dijon mustard on mine. You can put whatever you want on yours. But finally, now it's time for the best part. Where'd the other 2 hot dogs go?
Yes, I'm eating hot dogs. Who cares?
Well, the day's young, Joseph, and I want to keep grilling. What should we do next?
Have conversations with your friends.
Hello, everyone.
No, Lord, he said friends. However, Gina and Maria never showed up. Is there anything you'd like me to throw in the grill for you, Lorne?
Oh, Colonel Fire Roasted Corn is what I'm going to use today.
That gives me an idea. How about we make some Ninja grilled corn? We begin by shucking the corn. That's thing one. Thing two, you need to wash the corn really good afterwards.
You take 2 tablespoons of canola oil.
And we're going to put the canola oil right on the corn.
To all you guys and girls out there,
the reason we're using canola oil is because it has a higher smoke point, 500 degrees.
Isn't that sweet?
Whereas extra Lord olive oil has a smoking point of 200 degrees.
listen to me and listen to me good.
Ninja recommends grilling corn on the cob for about 10 minutes and flipping the corn halfway through.
Supposed to be 13.
What kind of person are you?
Joseph, you don't even want to know. But anyway, we're 8 minutes into cooking the corn and this is what it looks like. So we're going to give it another 5 minutes. So Joseph, how do you feel about the Barbecue Swag Corporation?
Made the group, the Barbecue Swag Corporation. We gotta get rid of this word and start using the word barbecue again.
And I love me some barbecue, you ain't kidding. Especially a smokeless barbecue like the Ninja Foodi 5-in-1. But I can't help but think something's missing right now.
Butter. This is vegan butter.
I agree with you there, Lorne. You can't have corn on the cob without some butter. How about you, Joseph? You have any ideas?
No, I think everyone should be playing early 2000s hip-hop in their...
And now that we've got some mid-2000s rap and hip-hop, now all we need is some barbecue seasoning.
This is well worth the cooking, and it doesn't take long to cook it.
How about you, Joseph? Are you gonna have some corn on the cob?
Yes, I'm eating hot dogs. Who cares?
The day's still young, Joseph, and I want to keep the barbecue swag going. What should we make next?
Your burgers, your hot dogs, and whatever you make on a barbecue.
I'm good with hot dogs, but I got 2 big burgers and I'm using 80-20 beef.
Size does not matter. The thing is, guys, that burgers have a tendency to either be attractive, average, big, well, semi-big, and big in general.
Well, thank you for your insight, Joseph. I appreciate that. Next, we're going to over-season the burgers with some barbecue season that we used on the corn. After I'm done seasoning the other side, Ninja recommends cooking the burgers for 4 minutes on each side. Where's Lorne? You're supposed to be watching him.
No. Stop being like that.
Calm down. Stop having an argument. He's playing with his basketball. And now that 4 minutes have passed, it's time to flip the burgers and cook them for yet another 4 minutes.
So, you say a guy who doesn't barbecue or anything is a boring guy.
And while the burgers are doing their thing, we're going to cut up a couple beefsteak tomatoes and season them, of course. And we're also going to cut up a red onion.
Barbecue is a word that should be used often.
And now that the burgers are finally done, we're going to go ahead and cook the buns. Just like the hot dog buns, we're going to cook them for 1 minute.
Don't judge people by their looks. Judge people on their barbecue. Burgers.
The toppings are completely up to you. But I'm going to begin with some ketchup and some Dijon mustard. No surprise there. I have some romaine lettuce in the fridge from my last video, so that's going to get added. And then we're going to add the beefsteak tomato. And of course, the star of the show, the cheeseburger. And once again, I had to add the white stuff. This time in the form of white cheddar. I'm also going to add the red onion, and there's one ingredient I've been dying to add to a cheeseburger since I started this show. You care to guess what it is?
Potato!
No, Joseph, it's pickles, dude. We're going to add pickles. No cold fries this time. And now there's only a couple things left to do.
Let's get that down the middle.
Good idea, Joseph. Let's cut in half and look at that pink center. If you like your burgers well done, make them smaller or just cook them longer. Hey, Joseph, do you want in on some of this?
I'm just not a big fan of big burgers.
Suit yourself, dude, but I think you're missing out.
Later that same evening.
I personally love to end every meal with dessert. The dessert that pairs perfectly with barbecue is s'mores. There's nothing like toasting marshmallows over an open flame. I thought Samsung phones were known for overheating, so I thought this would work for some reason. I mean, I guess we could always go outside and start a bonfire.
Yo, I don't want to go out because it's too hot.
Not a problem, Joseph, because lucky for us, the Ninja Foodi can also do s'mores. We're gonna trade the grill grate for the crisper basket. That's thing one. Thing two, we're gonna set the Ninja Foodi to air crisp, and then we're gonna cut our marshmallows in half.
Now, I'm telling you.
The reason I'm cutting the marshmallows in half is because I want them to stick to the graham crackers. If you don't, you risk the possibility of the marshmallows blowing around in the air fryer. I mean grill. That's what happened to me anyway.
Work hard, play hard. As my dad says.
2 minutes on the grill is more than enough in my opinion. All we need now is some Hershey's chocolate. And we have the perfect dessert for hanging out by the campfire. Joseph, before I shut the grill down, is there anything you want me to throw on it real quick?
Supras.
I'm not so sure if cooking shoes in my new Ninja Foodi is such a good idea, Joseph. But there is one more thing I need to do.
Sheriff's office, down! Get down! No!
Hands on your back, Lorne.
Put your hands on your back!
Ouch, another blow to Lorne. Oh, rested at the barbecue. Oh crap, I got chocolate in the fire.
That's the end of this video. The beast is back.
Not quite, Joseph, because we need to thank all the members of the Barbecue Swag Corporation. Beginning with my patrons, everyone holding it down on Streamlabs, and finally viewers like you. And I would also like to thank you all for the super chats as well. I'll make sure there's a list for you next time. And this has been Liquid Lord and Chef Tango of TCAP Recipes. Thank you for joining us for the barbecue today. We really appreciate it. Go ahead and let me know in the comment room if you would like to see more of the Ninja Foodi 501 in the near future. But in the meantime, it's time for Tango's walk. Bye, sweethearts.